JUARA is a skincare line inspired by the Indonesian wellness tradition called Jamu. Jamu is based on Indonesian botanicals and used by everyone, including royalty. We use Jamu-inspired ancient herbal recipes and beauty rituals to help restore skin to its healthy, balanced, and naturally radiant state. I started JUARA because I was working hard and getting burned out, and I wanted to create something that would help bring out the most nourished version of ourselves. So I turned back to Jamu, which had always been a part of my life growing up, and rediscovered the joy of using Jamu botanicals still used in the most soul-nourishing and luxurious spas found in Indonesia today. This whole process made me feel restored from the inside out. JUARA is so much more than rich, satisfying skincare products. It's a daily ritual of self-care that uplifts us and gives us inner peace and beauty. JUARA is an Indonesian word that means champion, and our mission is to help you champion your self-care and natural beauty by finding joy in each and every JUARA moment.